Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a video of you like going into a car. I guess I don't know, this is like a new AI trend. Go to, it's very hard for me to pronounce this, Haluo AI, and then go to the video section under AI create. You'll get 200 credits and one video is around 25 credits. I think it depends on how many seconds you choose for this. So I'm just going to paste the prompt. It says a stylish young man or woman standing sidewalk of a modern city. A sleek sports car arrives and stops beside him. He confidentially walks to the car, opens the door, and gets inside and closes the door. I don't know. I'm just going to get an image here and put it here. Obviously, this is not an image of me, but I'm just going to wait for it to upload and then I'm going to generate. I don't know how long this will take, to be honest, but I'll be right back once the video has finished. The video. And this is what the final result will look like. If you want it to be longer, again, you do need to kind of pay for it. So this is what it looks like over here on the right. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys to download just like this. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I will put the prompt in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!